They will talk about how to fix or how to solve stream on Picsart app. To know how to fix or how to solve stream on Picsart, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Picsart. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. If you find the update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.